Guys, you know the English or Spanish? The English or Spanish is a meme that it says that if English or Spanish and someone, if you said English, she's gonna say whoever move first gay, and in Spanish they're gonna say whoever is gay. And we're gonna talk about some memes that I'm gonna talk. Who knows the Haksuka girl? It's been a show like a a live that a girl can be seen said Haktuka Tang, and he said like that. And who knows the LeBron James meme? You are my son. The real voice is from the play, and there's a old one that has been released. I think it's super old year and something like that. And who knows gida dao meme, and that song been released on I think 2009 or 2014, and that meme can be saying chicken nuggets, omega nuggets is dancing with a hat, and he looks like a cowboy, and everybody in YouTube has been dancing on it, and they like to dance it. And we know the Gnome Wizard from the meme. It shows like a wizard that is going to the mall and going to the store and going to McDonald's. And that's how. And bye bye guys, bye bye.